So good afternoon students. Today discuss about LCM. We will discuss about LCM. The LCM stand for least common multiple. So what is the stand for LCM is? LCM is stand for least common multiple. What is the definition of the LCM is the least number which is exactly divisible by the each one of the given number. It is called LCM. So what is the definition of the LCM is the least number which is exactly divisible by the each one of the given number. It is called LCM. So normal example is 4, 4, 8. The least number in this 3, which is the least number, 2 is the least number. The least number is exactly divisible by the each one of the given number. 2 is the least number, 2 definitely divisible by the each one of the given number. It is called LCM. So next is there are two methods of solving LCM. There are two methods of solving LCM. The first one is prime factor method. Second one is division method. So once again revise, the LCM is stand for least common multiple. So what is the definition of the LCM is the least number which is exactly divisible by the each one of the given number. It is called LCM. There are two methods of solving the LCM is first one is prime factor method, second one is division method. What is the condition for the prime factor method means express each number as the product of prime factors, then LCM is equal to product of highest power of all the factors. Highest power of all the factors. So there are two types of solving the LCM is first one is prime factor method, second one is division method. Now discuss about prime factor method. What is the condition for the prime factor method? It means express each number as a product of prime factor, then LCM is equal to product of highest power of the all the factors. How to calculate the LCM by using the prime factor method means, so listen carefully. The first question is find the point LCM of 12, 21 and 24 by using factor method. Listen carefully. The first step is each every element expressed as the product of the prime factor. So what are the given number? Each number expressed as the product of prime factor. Each number, how to find the product of prime factor means each every element we can do the division method. Each every element we can do the division method. First, what is the number? First number is 12. So we can do the division method. First least prime number is 2. We can take 2 6 are 12. Next one 2 3 are 6. The 3 is divisible by only 3. So 3 1 are 3. So whenever remainder 1 or prime number we can get it, stop the division. So once again listen, each and every element we can do the division method. After that, whichever you are doing, finally remainder 1 or prime number is getting, stop the division. So remainder 1 you are getting, so stop the division. Next number is 21. The 21 is not divisible by the 2. Next 3 we can take. 3 7 are 21. So prime number we are getting, so you or else you can take one more prime number is 7. 7 1 will be divided by 7. So that's what 7 1 the 7. The parallel remainder is 1. We will stop the division. Next one is 24. The 24 is divisible by 2. This number 2 12 the 24. 2 6 the 12. 2 3 the 6. 3 1 the. Here our remainder 1 you are getting. So stop the division. Now write the prime factor. Each number expressed as the prime factors. First number 12 is equal to, what is the factor? This is the factor. Product 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 how many times repetition? 2 times. So 2 square. 3 only 1 time repetition. So 3 power 1. The second number is 21. Is equal to factors 3 into 7. So 3 only 1 time repetition. 7 only 1 time. Next one is 24. So 24 is equal to write the factors. These are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 here 3 times repetition. 3 here only 1 time repetition. LCM. Now listen. Express each number as the product of the prime factor. Now listen. Each number as the product of the prime factor, then LCM is equal to product of highest power of the all the factors. So what are the present elements here? We can take product of the each element highest power. Here only present 2 3 7. So 2 in this 3, which is highest power? 3 is the highest power. So 2 highest power is 3. Next another number is 3. 3 which number is highest power? Only 1. So 3 power of 1 into the next number present here 7. 7 what is the highest power? 1. So 7 power of 1. Everyone understood? Express each number as a product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. Here only how many numbers appear here? Only 2 is up here, 3 is up here, 7 is up here. So LCM is equal to 2 is appeared. 2 which is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. So 2 cubed into 3 what is the highest power? Only 1 is the highest power. So 3 power 1. Next 1 more number 7 is appeared. 7 what is the highest power? Only 1. 7 power 1. So each every number expressed as a product of the prime factor, then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. Everyone understood? The 2 cube element it is nothing but 8. 2 cube can replace 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 to the 8. 3 power 1 nothing but 12 is only 3. 7 power 1 nothing but 7. 3 power 1 is 3 multiplied only 1 time. So 3 into 1 3. So now product all the elements. 8 3 ja 24 into 7. 24 into 7. So 168. The LCM is equal to 168. Everyone understood how to find the given problem by using the Jacobi method means express each number as the product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to right product of highest power of the all the factors. Here what is the present elements here? 2 is present here, 3 is present here, 7 is present here. That's why product the what are the present here equals to product. After that we can take highest power. In this 3, 2 is the highest power is 3, 3 is the highest power is 1, 7 highest power is 1. So 2 cube 8, 2 cube value is nothing but 8, 3 power 1 value is nothing but 3, 7 power nothing but value is 7. So product of all the elements value is getting 160. You have understood how to calculate the given question by using the factor method. So in this question, next question, I think everyone understood this method. What is the first step? Express each number as the product of the prime factor. Yes, each each every number to write the product of the prime factors. You don't know how to calculate the prime factor. That's why each every element we can do the division method. So first element is 40. Take least prime number 2 20 ja 40, 2 10 ja 20, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1. So remainder one you are getting. So there is a second element is 72. Take least prime number 2 36 ja 72, 2 8 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1. So one remainder elements of the division. Next element is 135. So 2 is not divisible. So 3 we can take. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3 15 ja. So 3 5 ja 15, 5 1. Now write the factors. The first element is 40 is equal to, what are the factors? Write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 how many times repetition? 3 times of cube. 5 only one time repetition. So 5 power. The second element is 72. Product prime factors is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, 3 times repetition. 3 2 times repetition. The next one is 135. The 135, what are the factors? So 3 into 5 here, 3 times repetition, 5 1 time repetition. Then LCM is equal to. So now express each number as the product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to, here what are the numbers appear? 2 is appeared, into 3 is appeared, into 5 also appeared. So now express each number as a product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. Here what are the numbers appeared here? 2 is appeared. 2 is highest power. 2 is highest power is 3. So 2 cube into next number is 3. 3 is highest power is 3. So 3 cube. The next one 5 is highest power is 1. So 5 power of 1. 2 cube value is nothing but 8. 3 cube value is 27 into 5. So 8 5 is 40. 40 into 27. So 27 into 0 0. So 4028. So 1080. This is the LCM. So express each number as a product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. So product of the highest power of the all the factors. This is how to solve the LCM using the prime factor method. They everyone understood? It is clear. The next method. The next method is division method. The second method is division method. So what are the conditions for the division method? Means divides the given number by the common prime number until remainder is a one prime number you are getting. Then LCM is equal to product of the prime number and remaining remainders. So second one is division method. The problem is find LCM of 16, 24 and 36 by using division method. What is the condition for the division method? How to solve the LCM by using the division method means, what is the condition? Divides the given number by common prime number. Means what are the given all three numbers we can do that at a division. Divides the given number by common prime number. So least prime number is 2. So 2 8 ja 16, 2 12 ja 24, 2 18 ja 30. Next you can take 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja 18. The next one is 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. 9 is not divisible by the 2. That's why 9 is as this. The next 3 you can take. 3 is not divisible by the 2. 2 is as this. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So now everyone understand this here. Divides the given number by the prime number until the remainder is a one or prime number, then getting. Stop the division. Then LCM is equal to product of the divisors and the remainders. What is the condition? Divides the given number by the common prime number until remainder is a one or prime number. Then LCM is equal to product of the divisor and remainder. Then LCM is equal to product the remainder. What are the divisors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Product the divisors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and remainder 2 into 3. So product the all the elements. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48, 48 3 ja 144. The answer is 144. This is the LCM. The reason, what is the condition for the division method is divides the given number by the common prime number, then until remainder is a one or prime number, then getting. Stop the division. Then LCM is equal to product the divisors and remaining remainder. That is the division method condition. You can understood? First, what is the given numbers? All in before question prime factor method, each number separately we are doing the division. But in division method, after we can take what are the given numbers, all the numbers separately we are doing the division. So divides the given number by the common prime number. So in this three number divisible by the only common prime number is 2. So that's why it divides the given number by the common prime number. Then until remainder one or prime number is getting. Stop the division. After that, LCM is equal to product the divisor elements and remainder. So divisor is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into the product of all the elements. Finally, we are getting the LCM. This is the condition for the division method. See one more question. Very important this question. 6 marks question. Very important 6 marks question. What is the first condition? Divides the given number by the common prime number. First divides 36. First number, second number is 72. Third number is 144. Fourth number is 2000. Divides the given number by the common prime number. So first we are taking the least prime number 2. 2 18 are 36, 2 36 are 72, 2 72 are 144, 2050 are 2100. So again this one divisible common prime number. 2 9 are 18, 2 18 are 36, 2 36 are 72, 2 into 525. The next one is, here this all number divisible by 3 or not? 3 is possible. That's why 3 3 are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 12 are 36, 3 1 are, so 3 1 are, next is 3 7 are, next to 5 are. 3 into 175 is 525. So next one is, we can take 3 1 are, 3 2 are, 3 4 are, is 3 is possibility. So 3 is not divisible by the 175 because of here 175, 3 4, 3 5 are 15. The remaining 2 is take 5, 3 4 are 25. So remainder 1 remainder. So answer is not used by the 3. That's why that number is write as it is. The next 2 is to take. So 1 is not used by 2 as it is. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. This one not used by the 175. So this one as it is. So now 5 is to take. So 1 2 is not used by 5. 5 3 ja 15. 25 is there. 5 5 ja 25. The next you can take 5 only. So 1 comma 2 as it is. Here 20. Remainder is 1 or prime number. 217 is a prime number. So then stop the division. After that product of all the divisors and remaining prime factors. So what are the divisors is? Then LCM is equal to product of all the divisors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 5 into remainder values into 2 into 7. Product all the values, we are getting the one value, that is the LCM value. The final we are getting answer is 25,200. Is the LCM of 36, 72, 144 and 2100. Then LCM is 25,200. Everyone understood? What is the condition for the division method? Means divides the given number by the common prime number. Then until remainder is 1 or prime number we getting, stop the division. After then LCM is equal to product the divisors elements and remaining the remainder value. So product the all the values, then getting LCM value. So everyone understood? It is clear? Then there is a process for the how to solving the LCM by using prime factor method and division method. Everyone understood? The next questions. Find the least number. Find the least number which when divided by. So find the least number which when divided by 36, 40, 48. Then leaves the same remainder 5. So read the question. What are they given? Find the least number means to calculate the least number. Already you know LCM is stand for least common multiple. Least is there. That's why what are the given numbers to calculate LCM? So what are the getting values? Add the 5. So whenever each number is divisible by this one, remainder will be getting 5. So first what are the given question? To calculate least number, that least number divisible by the given number, definitely that remainder will be getting 5. Each number divisible by the least number, definitely the remainder will be 5 getting to calculate that element. So first of all, how to solve this question is already the given least is there. So to calculate what are the given elements? To calculate LCM. To calculate LCM. So I am using division method. You can use the prime factor method or division method we can use. So division method very easy. That's why I am doing division method. So first of all, to LCM to calculate LCM of 36, 40, 48. So what is the condition? Divides the given number by prime number. So 218 ja 36, 220 ja 224 ja again 229 ja 210 ja 2 again 9 is not even 9 as it is 25 ja 26 ja 3 we can take 3 ja 9 5 as it is 3 2 ja. Here the remainder all elements are prime number. Then stop the divisor. So LCM is equal to product the all the divisors of remaining remainder. all the elements. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72, 72 ja 144, 144 5 ja 720, 720. So what are the LCM? Each divides each number by the common prime number. Then until the remainder is the prime number or whatever it is, stop the LCM. After that, to product all the divisors remaining the prime number, to calculate the product of all the divisors and find what is the answer getting 720. What is it asking? Find the least number which when divided by the given number leaves the same remainder 5. Leaves the same remainder means what are the LCM values you getting? To adding the 5. To adding the 5. So hence we need to add 5 to the LCM. So calculate LCM value is 720, the remainder value is 5. The 720 is the least number. This least number, what are the given number? This number is divisible by this number. Definitely remainder will be getting 5. So observe 36 into 725. 36 2 ja 720. The remainder is 5. The next number is 40. 725 41 ja 40. The next is 50 to take 5 320. Remainder is 5. The next one is 48 to 725. 48 1 ja 48. So next is 12 minus 4. 2 is 40. Next is 6 we can take 240. Yeah. 725 is the least number. 725 is the least number which whenever divided by the 36 comma 40 leaves the remainder will be same. So 725 is the least number. Don't understood? Then the question to calculate least number, that least number which when divided by the given number, definitely the remainder will be same. What is the remainder? 5. So each element divided by the given number, the remainder will be same. So 725 is the least number. So understand what? The next question. The last final question in this method, LCM. Find largest number. Find largest number less than 300 and divisible by 118. What is the given question? Find the largest number less than 300. What are the LCM values you getting? Definitely that value is less than 300. So definitely that value is divisible by the given number 118. Find the largest number. The largest number definitely less than 300. What are the largest number you getting? That number definitely divisible by the given number. So first of all, to calculate the LCM of 118. To calculate LCM of 118. So we are using the division method. So 12, 18. So divides the given number by the common prime number. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 ja. So 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. So remainder will be prime number. Then this one is equal to product the all the divisors and remaining the remainders. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. What are the LCM we getting? 36. Find the largest number less than 300. The largest number less than 300 we have to find out. which is the largest number to calculate. So definitely the largest number definitely divisible by the 12 and 18. How to calculate the largest number means what are the given numbers first to calculate LCM value. So what are the given number is 12,18 is divisible by the common prime number. Then final LCM value is 36. Okay na? Now how to calculate the largest number means the LCM value into which number is product less than 300 is getting. How to calculate largest number means LCM value into product with any one number definitely is less than 300. Less than 300 means 1 up to 299 is 299 less than 300. But what is the LCM value is getting? 36. 36 is divisible by given each one of the number. But we have to calculate largest number. So what is the given condition? Find the largest number less than 300. What is the LCM value getting? Which number product with LCM value definitely getting less than 300? 36 into 8. What is the value? 288. So definitely 288 is less than 300 or not? Suppose 36 into 9 can product more than 300 is getting. 325 is getting. So 325 is not less than 300. That's why what is the possible element? What is the LCM value getting product? Which number is product? Which number is product in here? Less than 300 getting. 8 is the possibility. Means 36 into 8 is 288. This 280 is less than 300. So 288 is the largest number. So one question, how to find the largest number means what is the given number to calculate the LCM. So what is the LCM you are getting? So which element product with here less than 300 is getting? So 36 into 1, 36 is possibility. 36 into 2 is possibility. Less than 29 up to 299 possibility. But 36 which number should multiply? Less than 300 is getting. So possibility is 8. 36 into 8 is 288 possibility. 288 is less than 300 is possibility. Suppose 36 into 9 can product 325 is getting. So 325 is not less than the 300. That's why only 288 is the possibility. So 288 is the largest number. This is the process of the how to calculate the LCM. So once again, the LCM stands for least common multiple. What is the definition of the LCM is the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given number. It is called LCM. There are two methods of solving LCM. One is the prime factor method, another one is the division method. How to find the LCM by using the factor method means prime factor condition is, what is the condition? Express each number as a product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. Second condition is division method. What is the condition for the division method? Means divides the given number by the common prime number. Then until remainder is a one or prime number. Then LCM is equal to product the divisors on remaining prime number. That is the process for the how to solve the LCM by using the prime factorization method and division method. I think everyone understood this concept. Get good at the revision. So tomorrow discuss about how to solve the LCM by using the prime factor method and division method. Tomorrow will be finish the revise the chapter. Day after tomorrow will be start the new chapter. New chapter means the second chapter is theory of equations. That one also very easy. Then only two definitions. One is the linear equations, another one is the quadratic equation. The definitions are very important. Formulas also very important. Already we learned in before classes in 9th or 10th. The eliminating method is there, and substitution method is there, formula method is there, factor method is there. These four methods definitely in final exam. Two methods will come from final exam. Two questions are 6 marks, 6 marks. You should getting 12 marks on one definition is 2 marks question. Totally 14 marks for second chapter. So second chapter is very easy. This chapter also very only two methods. One is the LCM method, another one is the LCM method. LCM two methods. One is a prime factor method, second one is the division method. One more method is LCM. There also two methods, same prime factor method, division method. Okay, everyone understood this chapter? It is clear. Thank you to all.